Hello everyone, welcome back. Imagine opening a full Linux desktop environment directly from your browser, with 16GB RAM, for CPU, fast internet, file upload support, and insanely smooth performance, all powered by GitHub Codespaces. No heavy setup, no dual boot, no installing Linux on your PC. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to transform a normal GitHub Codespace into a super smooth GUI Linux environment that honestly feels cleaner than many online cloud desktops out there. So watch till the end because I'll also show you the specs, internet speed, and some important settings. Let's jump right into it. First of all, if you don't already have a GitHub account, go ahead and create one. After signing in, open the GitHub menu and click on Codespaces. Now, here comes the important part. Search for the Jupyter notebook template and click on Use this template. After that, GitHub will automatically start creating your Codespace environment. This might take a minute depending on the server availability. Now once your Codespace opens, follow my steps carefully. You'll see the terminal section below. Here, you need to run the commands that I've provided in the video description and pinned comment. I'm not pasting everything on screen because some commands are long and it'll be easier for you to copy directly from there. So just paste them one by one and hit enter. After running the commands, the system will start pulling Linux packages and preparing the desktop environment. This process can take around 5 minutes, sometimes faster depending on the server speed. So, just be patient. And while it's setting everything up, if you're enjoying the video or learning something new today, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. If you don't subscribe, your Linux terminal might suddenly decide to install updates for the next 47 years. I warned you. Alright, once the installation process finishes, you'll get a prompt to open the desktop in your browser. You can also access it directly from the forwarded ports section. Click open, and boom. Look at this clean Linux desktop environment running completely inside the browser. Everything feels surprisingly responsive and smooth. You can open apps, use the browser, manage files, and do basic Linux tasks, just like a normal desktop. Now let's check the specs, because this part is actually crazy. For a cleaner look, I'm gonna install NeoFetch really quick. And there we go. As you can see, this environment gives around 16GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. That's honestly impressive for a browser-based setup, and the smoothness is actually noticeable. The desktop feels way more responsive compared to many free cloud desktop services people usually use. Now let's test the internet speed. And look at this. 3GB plus speed. That's insanely fast for downloading packages, cloning repositories, or moving files around. Now of course, this setup also has some limitations. Since this is a cloud development environment, it's not designed for heavy gaming, non-stop background processing, or extremely GPU-intensive workloads. Also, Codespaces can automatically stop after inactivity depending on your usage and GitHub limits, so don't expect it to behave exactly like a permanent dedicated VPs or high-end desktop PC. But for Linux testing, coding, lightweight development, browser tasks, learning, and experimenting, it works incredibly well. Another cool thing is that you can directly upload and download files from the environment without any complicated setup. So moving projects between your PC and the cloud becomes really easy. Also, if you notice the Codespace stopping too quickly while inactive, you can increase the idle timeout from the settings. That helps keep your environment active longer while you work. And one important thing before ending this video, please use this setup responsibly and follow GitHub's terms of service. This video is made for educational and development purposes only. Do not use it for harmful activities, spam, unauthorized access, or anything that violates platform rules or impacts other users. Use it properly so these kinds of tools remain available for everyone. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I've got more Linux, cloud desktop, VPS, and tech tutorials coming soon. Also, comment below what you want me to test next using cloud environments. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.